In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive to N8N. So the first thing you want to do inside N8N is you want to click on Add First Tab over here and then search for Google Drive. There we go, there it is. You want to click on it and then you can select the actions over here and just select the file action or the action you would like to have. So I'm just going to select copy file. Of course, you can do whatever you want according to what you want to do with this. So you can click on it and then you want to click on select credential, create a new credential, and from here I would actually recommend using where it says connect using, I would recommend OAuth 2, which is also recommended because it's just a bit more convenient to set up. Now once you do this, what you then want to do is you want to click on Open Docs over here, and this will open up this website essentially, where you can then just create a Google Cloud account. Click over here and you can create your Google Cloud account in case you don't have one yet. I do have it, so over here, this is my Google Cloud account. This is what you're gonna see. Now, over here, if you want to actually create a new project, you want to simply click on My First Project and then just want to create one. So I'm gonna just do a new project to show you how to do it. You have to give it a name. This is gonna be test, as you can see. Then you wanna, of course, location. You can give it if you want to. You can just put in whatever you want, and then you want to create. Now, it's gonna be created. Your first project is gonna be created over here, and it's gonna say create project test. There we go. You wanna click on select project. And after you select it, over here on the left, click on those three lines, top left. And then from here, it says APIs and services, and you want to hover over it and click on OAuth consent screen, because as you can see, this is the one, OAuth. This is the one we're going to need. Now over here, what you're going to need to do basically is you want to click on get started. And in here, you're going to have to give it an app information basically. So it's going to be very easy. Just give it a random name. We're going to do test, and then user support email should be yourself. So the email you're going to be accessing with, then click on next. Over here, you can do this external or internal, whatever you want to do. I'm going to do internal over here, or external. Of course, you can do, as I said, whichever one you want. Next. And then contact information should be, again, your email. So it's going to be, let me type that out. There we go. This is the one I basically used up there. Mistype that. There we go. And then you want to do next again. And after you do this, you want to agree, continue, and create. So after you've created this, it's going to start processing for a bit, and there we go. You'll see this thing over here. And what you have to then do is click on over here where it says create OAuth client. And then again, there we go. It's going to do application type. You want to do web application over here, and then you want to give it a name. Now, the name is going to be, for this instance, again, we're going to do test because this is just a test over here. And then it says, let me scroll down here. There we go. Where it says authorized redirect URIs. Now, this part here is very important. You want to click on add URI, and this is going to be the thing that's in here. So OAuth redirect URI, as you can see, or URL, whatever you want to call it. You can click to copy, and then you want to paste this in here like this. There we go. And then you want to click on create. After you click that, there we go. You now have your client ID over here, and then you can just click OK. And you can basically, where it asks for the client ID and the client secret, as you can see, you want to just click on client ID, which is this one. You want to copy it, and then you want to paste it in here because this is now your client ID. And then you want to click OK again. And then in here, you can basically see your client secret as well. So let me just show you how to get this. You want to go where it says over here, you can copy this, click on it, and you want to download OAuth client. And then in here, it's going to show you the client secret as well. Okay, so as I said, this one is the client secret ID. There we go. And this one is the client secret over here. So click on copy and paste in basically everything that you had to do. As you can see, this is it. You then have to sign in with Google inside N8N, and then just sign in with your account, so the one you were trying to use over here, which is going to be this one for me over here. As you can see right now, it says access is blocked because I haven't completed the Google verification process inside N8N. Okay, of course you have to do that as well at first before you try to connect. But essentially, once you've done this, you simply have to click on sign in with Google. You want to select your account and it will allow you to sign in. And then at the very top over here, you'll see that everything will be green and you will be connected. You can then just exit this. and then you'll see that you've successfully connected your Google Drive to N8N. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.